Okay.
Annyeonghaseyo! Hello everyone! My name is Aini Alamada and I'm Fatty na lang. Fatty lang. Fatima Raisa Abubakar. Okay, sinabi niya kompleto. Okay. We made this video because we just wanted. Yeah. It's our trip lang. Trip lang. Trip.
Okay, mamaya ka na kumanta.
Okay, sabi mo. We have 4 songs that... What song? We're gonna sing 4 songs
yes.
for you. Tagalog song, Korean song, English song, and Japanese song. This song is dedicated to our Uni Isa. Uni Isa, yeah. Yeah. She's so beautiful, you know what? Yeah. Super duper beautiful.
Okay.
Sa kanya kami nagmana.
Let's start this
Okay.
thingy, stupid thingy.
Okay, our first song is Tagalog song titled Ang Huling El Bimbo. 1, 2, 3, go! Kamukha mo si Paraluman noong tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, mapapugi man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakaindak, nakakakilig, nakakatindig, balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo, at buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay, na tinuruan mo ang puso kong umibig ng tunay. Okay, that's all.
The next song is a Korean song. The title is I Need a Boy by IU. 1, 2, 3, go! 생각 없는 말투 어린데도 많고 나 감사 안아줘. Yeah, 심심할 때 가끔 너는 약도 많고 나만 사랑해줘. 가만 있어도 단 여자들 좋아지는 밀지만 자랑스럽게 메시지는 꺼내버리는 그런 boy, I need a boy. 뭘 해도 예쁜 몸매도 예쁜 boy, I need a boy. Baby, I need you, boy, you need me too. 샤츠보다 비히는 키가 저 어리는 그런 남자, 김치볶음밥은 내게 좀 넘어가 다시는 만날 수 있는 남자. 아하, 나이가 많아도 그런 귀여운 남자, 그 남자가 좋더라. 남자다운 척하면서도 상처할 줄 아는 boy, 평소에 지구한 속에져 너만 있으면 하. Okay.
Third song is English.
English song.
Kanina pa ako nag-lost dito dahil ang hirap mag-English. Okay.
I will make
Okay,
you Korea.
Oo, Korea. Maganda na mag-Chinese. Ako magcha-Chinese na lang kasi mahirap talaga mag-English.
Ako Ryan bang gamit Korean?
Bolol siya. Okay, serious. This song is by Taeyang. Actually, it's a Korean song, pero I'm gonna sing for you the English
song.
version niya.
Yeah.
This, its title was Wedding Dress. Okay, Wedding Dress. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Now Never should have let you go. Never found myself at home. Ever since the day that you walked right out the door. You were like my beating heart that I can't control. Even though we're grown apart, my brain can't seem to let you go. Thinking back at the old times when you got me up late at night. We used to mess around, laugh and play, fuss and fight. I guess it's too late. I'm dancing this dance alone. This chapter's done. The story goes on. Baby, can't believe that you are not with me. 'Cause you should be my lady. All I want is to set your heart free. But if you believe that you belong with him, promise me you won't let anyone hurt you. Remember, I will always be here for you, even if it kills me to see you with that wedding dress. Oh dress, with that wedding dress. Wedding dress. Dress, with that wedding dress. Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay,
The next song is a Japanese song.
arigato. Ay, arigato.
Arigato.
Hey!
The title is Promised You by Super Junior KRY.
Yeah.
It's Kyesung, Ryuwook, and Kyuyun. The best voice of Super Junior.
Oo.
You know that.
The trio.
And Yesung is my
And Ryuwook was my
and Kyuyun is my too.
both of us, we
Yeah,
love
because-
them. Yeah.
Because I'm a timer girl. I have 27 boys.
We're not timer. We just, habulin lang talaga kami.
Yeah,
Okay, joke.
accept the reality that we're
Gandang hindi mo inakala.
dahil wala dito sa mundo.
Oo. Alien. Galing sa ibang planeta.
Okay. Serious na. Serious na.
Serious.
Promised You by Super Junior KRY. Promise you, I promise you. 変わらない何かを探しながら変わっていく季節を歩いた君といつでも手をつなぎながら来たんだ Yeah 手探りで進んできた日にも君がいたから迷わずにくれた強く入れたどんな時もこれから歩く景色が変わったとしても僕らはどのままでいよう Promise you 君を思って僕は生きるよつながっている心と心から Promise you 伝えていいのはただ愛してる誓うよ永遠のかけろ
Okay, that's our 4 songs.
And the last song is
Really? He's gonna sing.
I'm gonna sing and she's
We're
gonna
going to
act.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 Iragi ilat giyomi Iyon giyomi Sandagi saman giyomi 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 Sadagi sado giyomi Udoagi udo giyomi Yugdoagi yugo Giyomi Giyomi Ay, bastusan po.
Bakit?